Sisborochov und Schindumnov und Kadja Maladowski, Ignatov und Marinov, Minsky und Zhitlowski, Aschen Apataschu, Jehoish und Warschawski, Olutsky, Slutsky und Prilutsky, Biesjud, Bialystotsky. Alef Glanz und Ehrenkranz, Ansky und Miransky, Nadia Bade und Avade, Grade und Smilansky, Edelstadt und Yankiv, Pinsky und Kaminski, Perlovdim of Kosovkov, Jumschinsky, Perlovdim of Kosakov, Duntimsky und Rumschinsky, Perlovdim of Kosakov, Dubinsky und Rumschinsky, Perlovdim of Kosakov, Dubinsky und Rumschinsky. Rosenfeld, Grossenheld, Siegel, Spiegel, Bialik, Koppelhoff und Leolov und Meister Eugene Malik, Mani Leben, Moshe Leben, Yitzchak Leibisch Peretz, jetzt weißt du schon in Jiches, ist Habsche der Cheretz. Mani Leben, Moshe Leben, Yitzchak Leibisch Peretz, jetzt weißt du schon in Jiches, ist Habsche der Cheretz. Einstein, Weidstein, gib uns Reichstein, Palewski, Tomaszewski, Abramowitsch, Rabinovich, Ravitsch und Winczewski, Alef Katz, Jankiv, Gladstein und Katzenelsen, wer ist klug, also wie früh genug, ist unser Mendelssohn. Sieben Lippen, wer geblieben, Zivien nicht vergessen. Salmen Schnee, Eisig mehr, Dick und Bickel jessen. Rochelkorn und Arntorn und ja, wie heißt der Eichim? Eische, Meische und Bereiche, Shalom Aleichem. 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 Joel Slonim, Joch Konim, Chasen Kusawitzki, Euerbach und noch die Brüder Locholitzki. Das ist Esther Jiches, das ist Esther aus Nadan, der Melech Achashverosh wird sie kriegen Pharaman. Das ist Esther Jiches, das ist Esther aus Nadan, der Melech Achashverosh wird sie kriegen Pharaman. Liebe Leid, allen Zeitlen darf man euch ermahnen, Avam Reisen, alle Wesen, Lewig und Orchanien. Das Gesang von Itzig Manges Lied von der Megille, wie ein Wunder ist Sekunde und sein stille Twille. Mischt dem Gold von Goldfaden und Silberzeit zusammen, Adler, Kester, Lebedev und Herrschbein mit die Dramen. Segel, Segalowitschens ist noch nicht kein Eck, Schwarz und Weiß und Greenberg und ein bisschen Lemlotek. Segel, Segalowitschens ist noch nicht kein Eck, Schwarz und Weiß und Greenberg und ein bisschen Lemlotek.
Oh, that's wonderful. Yeah. Oh gosh.
Watch this before eating cheese.
And I just want to say that we are going to do each and every one of them. So
Mina,
yes,
wer hat das gesungen?
I think what's his name?
Mlotek, it's Mlotek.
No, Zalman Mlotek.
Zalman Mlotek.
Okay.
Zalman Mlotek. That's his
Okay.
voice. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the way he plays the piano too.
Yeah.
Right.
Hannah Mlotek wrote, for the lyrics for the.
Sein Mama oder sein Frau?
My mama.
The mame. The mame. Okay. Okay. I hope you enjoyed it. Let's go.
Wonderful.
Sehr schön. Wow. Sehr
Can we
schön.
get it on YouTube? I mean, the whole thing
It's
like
on YouTube. Everything's on YouTube. Yes.
that? Wonderful.
Can you put the link in the chat?
I'll do it.
You will
But
do
then
it? Okay.
The link, you didn't send the link in advance? You didn't send the link?
No. I sent it only to Mari. What's going on here? What happened? Just a moment. Something went wrong.
You're okay now.
Sounded a lot like the Yiddish Mikado.
It was.
Yeah, it
It
is.
was. Yeah.
It is, of course, that's the tune.
Did anybody?
No,
Did any?
no, it's
did
not the
anybody-
Mikado.
It's
It's
the,
a
did
Major
any-
General.
the Pirates of Penzance.
Pirates of
Pirates
Penzance.
of Penzance.
No, it's the Pirates of Penzance.
Several years ago, the Folksbiene put on the Pirates of Penzance in Yiddish. Did anybody? I saw it. Did anybody
Oh,
else?
no, I didn't see it, or there must have been a riot.
Die Gazlonim von Penzance.
Because
Die Gazlonim. Die Gazlonim. It was hilarious. It was
Yam Gazlonim.
Yam
Gazlonim.
Gazlonim.
Gazlonim. Yeah, they used the word Gazlonim.
Yeah, the Mikado in English is going to be appearing here in April, May in Philly.
Oh, the original Yiddish is better.
Oh, of course. Well, when you tell me where it's playing, maybe we'll all fly in somewhere.
Okay, so let's start reading a Purim spiel. Michael Fisman, can you start reading, please?
A Purim-Spiel, Parshoinen, der Seide, Esther, Memuchen, Haman, Bezosa, Charbona, Mondrish, Zisar, I'm not sure about that one, Yehudis, Jos Ingala, Achashverosh, and Mordechai. Die Bienen verleuchten in dunkelblau Licht. Es kommt herein der Seide, der lang dem Ingala, Agrager. Where is der Seide?
Can you translate them?
Oh, sure, sorry. The platform,
Stage.
the stage, thank you. The stage is lit up with a dark, dim blue light. And the grandfather comes in and gives the little boy a grogger.
Go on.
Okay, der Zeder, the grandfather, there as Haman der Rosha, look, Haman the evil man, der Gemeiner, the vile ordinary man, soll von dir nicht heraus mit kein ganzer Beiner, that he shouldn't get away from you without injury, with whole, that he shouldn't get away from you with whole, his body intact. Give him his wert, give him what he deserves, und soll liegen in Dreck, and may he rot in, well, he should lie, but rot in the earth.
Go on, Tosingale.
Tosingala, the little boy, Zorgni Zeta, don't worry, Grandpa. What have die ganze Ada? Listen, the whole community, the whole witnesses will hear. Wird schon bei mir kriegen, he will get from me, as in der liegen. He'll get something from me that he'll rot in the ground. Der Zeder, the grandfather, nu mein Teurer, now my dear one, es ist schon sehr spät, it's late already. Als elke Kinder wie du müssen schon schlafen in bed. Kids like you should already be sleeping in bed. Gedenkst du die Meise von Monica Jordan? Do you remember the story of bygone years? Die Haman von Pras ist schlecht verfahren. How Haman, from Pras, Persia, I assume, was led astray. But I think it means came to a bad end.
Okay. Okay, thank you. I will make from time to time, I'll make noise when Oman is mentioned, you know. You have to do this.
Make noise. Okay.
Oh,
Yeah, we should
Don't do it.
oh, I forgot to
don't
get
do
my
it.
grogger.
You don't do it in American.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah,
Of
We
course.
do. Yeah, we do, but I don't have a grogger at home. Sorry.
Oh,
okay.
I have one. I just don't know
You
where
just
it is.
clap your
Very
hand.
good. Okay, Elaine, go.
Okay,
Elaine,
I might need some help with the
It's okay.
okay.
No problem.
Nu mein Teurer.
No, to singale.
Das
Just-
Yingala, I'm sorry, das Yingala. Ja, Zeta, ich gedenk Meise sehr schön. Yeah, grandfather, I remember a very good story, a very nice story. Von Haman Harosha mit die scharfe Zähne. From Haman, the evil one with a sharp tongue.
No, teeth.
Jeez.
Same. Yeah, okay. Gewollt hat bringen auf die Jiden Atzora. He wanted to bring big trouble on the Jews. Und geworden ist allein die Kapora.
Kapure.
And he himself is the kapora, the trouble, the
Sacrifice.
the sacrifice, kapora, right? Okay. Der Seide. Gedenkst du noch die Meise und das Liedele? Do you remember the story and the song, the poem? Sing, will ich dir bringen Matana, or Masana, Matana,
Matune.
Matana, yeah, Fidela. So sing, I'm gonna bring you a gift, a
Mhm.
present, a fiddle, a violin fiddle. Kommen is gewinn a Hund mit sharpe Zähnen. Haman is a dog with sharp teeth.
Mhm.
Beißen hat uns gewollt amol is a Nes geschehen. Let's see, he wanted to bite us uns a while at one time.
Mhm.
And it was a miracle that happened.
A miracle happened, yes.
Die Kapora is gewinn for Chol Yisrael. Amen ve'amen. The sacrifice, he was the sacrifice for all of Israel. Amen and amen. Es der Herrn sich mit Amol, Kolis von jener Zeit tier. We hear, this is a stage direction, I assume.
Yes, yes.
One hears suddenly voices from a side door.
No, from the other side of the door.
From the other side of, from the other side of the door. Okay. Lasst uns rein, let us in, let us in. Weißt ihr, wer es kann das sein? Do you know who we are?
No.
This could,
Who can it be?
Who can it be? Okay, weißt ihr, wer es kann das? Who can it be? Hamelech hakovid die ganze Welt. The honorable king,
Mhm.
the whole world.
yeah, the
I
king of the
think the
whole.
honorable
The king of the whole world, the king, the honorable king of the whole world.
Yes.
Okay. Heint is Purim, men geht verstellt. Today is Purim, one goes, I don't know what verstellt is.
In
costume.
costumes.
I'm sorry.
Disguised.
Disguise.
Verstellt. Okay. One goes around in disguise. Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Elaine. Yes, Rafael?
This is actually a well-known song, and it goes like this. Mach duf, und lassen Sie rein, weißt ihr, wer es kann da sein? Hamelech hakovet die ganze Welt, heint des Purim, wir gehen verstellt, Hamelech hakovet die ganze Welt, heint des Purim, wir geht verstellt. And that die ganze Welt actually is from the first verse, and it doesn't make sense in any other verse. Wir seinen Jiden von Gor der Welt. We are Jews from all over the world. And so every verse has that die ganze Welt as part of the refrain, but it doesn't really refer here to Hamelech HaKavod. Hamelech HaKavod is Achashverosh. He's certainly not the king of the world. He was the king from Hodu till Kush, 127 provinces, but not the whole world.
Okay, thank you.
What is verstellt?
Hidden, or in this case, masked, in disguise.
Disguise. Thank you.
More questions? No? Okay. Leah, can you read? Es kommen rein.
Let me try.
Leah,
I'm trying.
you are trying. Okay.
Where is it? Oh, okay.
Here.
Es kommen rein. Kirte, I don't know what it is.
Maskirte.
Maskirte, Kinder in verschiedene Kostümen. Eufen dran sitzt Achashverosh Esther mit sehr Diener und kingliche Haaren. Haaren, what is Haaren?
Oren.
Ohren.
Oren
Esther.
Lord,
Hers.
ברוכים הבאים.
Lords. Lords. Okay, no, you have to translate it.
No, you let somebody else do it.
Okay. Maurice, can you translate it, please?
sure. Masked children come in various costumes. On the throne sits Achashverosh, Esther, and their servants and their royal lords.
Mhm. It's from
What
German.
is dinner? What is dinner?
Servant.
Dinner.
Dinner is servants.
Okay.
Okay, another line, Leah.
אסתר, ברוכים הבאים. ליב אייר קומן, הגות יום טוב, אייר, איך ליבה קינדר, לך. די קינדר.
Okay, first.
I don't know what-
Esther, ברוכים הבאים. Welcome. Lieb Eier Kumen, it's good that you came. A good Yom Tov, Eich liebe Kinderlich. A good
What is
holiday to you.
Bruchim Habayim?
Bruchim Habayim, welcome.
Welcome. It's the plural.
Welcome and
Welcome to y'all.
y'all, yeah. So, a good, yeah, it's rodeo time in Houston.
Right.
So, yeah. Okay, so welcome and a good holiday to you, a good Yom Tov to you, little children. Okay, Eleanor, can you continue?
Die Kinder. Gebencht soll sein, die Meloche
Malke.
Malke.
Malka Esther. May Queen Esther be blessed. Ein Jingele, one boy says, und der Vetter Mordechai, was ist bei uns der Beste, and Uncle Mordecai, who's the best one for us. And Achashverosh says, Gut Yom Tov, ich liebe Yiddische Kinderlich. And the king says, Gut Yom Tov to all of you dear children. And then Haman läuft da rein bei Beis und erschrocken. He runs in an evil way. And what is erschrocken?
Yeah.
Afraid.
Right. Ah.
Is it scared?
Yes. Scared, afraid.
Good.
Vase is angry. The Shchokin is scared. Right, afraid.
Adonai, is that?
Adoni.
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 My sir.
Adoni, mein Herr König, my Lord King. Bring alle Jiden. Bring all the Jews.
No, bring is kill all the Jews.
Bring means kill them?
Yeah, the verb is umbringen, is to
Right.
to kill them all.
Kill all the Jews. They folgen nicht, was du befällst. They don't follow your orders?
Good.
Yes.
Spotten ob von deine Getter. Nur nicht, was dir gefällt. I don't understand spotten ob von deine
Spotten is
Getter.
to mock, to make fun of
And deine Getter?
your gods.
Gods.
Oh, they make fun of your gods.
Yes.
And they don't do what you order.
Yes.
Good.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Eleanor. Barbara, can you continue?
Right. Achashveros. Nein, Minister, nein und nein. Das ist nicht fein. Das ist nicht schön. Das ist gar nicht, was ich mein. No, Minister, no, no. That is not fine. That is not lovely. Das is not at all what I mean. Okay. Oh. Memuchen, is that right?
Memucan.
Memuchen.
Memucan.
No, it says,
So let's see. Memucan was one of the lords in Persia, and I googled him, and he is mentioned in the Megillah as the one that is that says that Vashti should be thrown out of the kingdom.
okay.
Raphael, is that right?
Right, yeah, he's one of the Sarisim, which
He's
can be
one of the
translated as
Sarisim.
lords or eunuchs.
Yeah.
First time I hear of it.
Yeah. Okay, so that's what I found about Memucan. Okay. So go on, Barbara.
Okay. To the king, mein größer Herr und König, my dear Lord and King, ich bin dir ständig untertänig. Does that mean I am always loyal?
Yeah.
Loyal, submissive to you.
Und gerät zu jeder Zeit und Ort auszufolgen dein heilig Wort. And I'm ready for at each time and place to follow or to carry out dein holy order or Wort. Sog ich, Herr, was ist dein Bager? So tell me now, or is it now? What is your latest order or wish?
Yeah. Any comments? Questions?
Bagir, is that kind of like your desire or?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. Raphael, please.
Yeah, hair there is pretty much the same as har.
Oh, okay.
Well, no, zog ich her. No, I'm sorry, it's the verb. Tell me, I'm listening.
Okay.
So what is your desire? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, Barbara, and only this Achashverosh.
Oh, want me to do that again? Okay. Mein Achashverosh, mein Bager, my desire, wird sein nicht weniger und nicht mehr. Not less, not more, wie a große Flaschke mit Maschke. Just a big flask of Maschke, of whiskey, Maschke.
Okay.
It's a drink.
Yeah,
Yes.
Yeah, a drink.
yeah, that's what he wants.
That's what he wants. Because we know that he is a shaker.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, so Raphael, please, can you continue?
Memuchen.
So who is
all of these-
Memucan?
Yeah, Memuchen again, it's the same
Memucan, we
fellow.
already talked, yes.
Yeah.
Sorry.
And all of these are rhymed, although it's not
Yeah.
always shown in poetry here. Ja, mein größer Herr und König, ich bin dir ständig untertänig. Yes, my great Lord and King, I am for you always subservient. Ich, Memuchen, will dir bringen zu versuchen. I, Memuchen, will bring to you to taste von dem Safrankuchen, was dein Vashti hat gebacken. That one doesn't rhyme. All right. From the saffron baked goods, which your Vashti has baked. And now I'm
I don't
wondering.
understand why is Vashti still alive and Esther is there?
Poetic license.
Poetic
Yeah.
license of the writer, yeah.
And we actually haven't seen Esther yet, have we?
No, but he
but
says
she
that
was
she's sitting
mentioned.
there.
No, listen,
well.
the whole
Yeah.
story
She's
is
sitting
poetic
on the
license.
throne. They said
The
she's
ganze
sitting on the
Meise.
throne.
Yeah,
That's what you're right. So anyway, it's poetic license, right?
that's to Mitzayere.
Okay. Now Mondrich is not in the Megillah.
I couldn't find him.
No, he's not a character in the Megillah, but he apparently often was in the Purim Spieler's repertory.
Oh.
So
But what
he's-
is he? Just a
I think he's
person?
just a person. I'm not sure. We'll see from
They
context.
just wanted
maybe.
to give parts to the people that needed parts.
That's it. That's it.
The name sounds kind of Polish, meaning like a wise guy, but I'm not sure.
Or it
Mondrich.
could come from mon, which is poppy seed. I don't know.
Okay,
Can I ask a question?
of course.
Where it says memuchen,
Mhm.
what does it mean? Ich memuchen.
I,
Memuchen is I'm
memuchen.
ready, isn't it? I'm ready.
No.
It's his name.
It
Ich
could be a
memuchen.
pun on that. Memuchan, I am ready. It could be that, but I don't think
that's
so.
what it is. Memuchen is ready.
Yeah, but
Okay.
grammatically it wouldn't quite fit that way, but why not?
Why not is right.
Okay, Mondrich.
Mondrich, komm mal her, dein König will gewiss brunfen mit Kuchen. Come here. Your king would certainly like to have some whiskey, let's call it bourbon, because here I am in Kentucky. Some bourbon with baked goods. Sagt ihm, as zu viel Schickeren is mies, weil fällt schon also euchet von die Fies. Tell him that drinking too much is ugly because he's already falling down from his feet. That is, he's falling off his feet. Emes, heint is Tage Purim, is es steht geschrieben in die Heilige Sforim. It's hard to make that rhyme. Truly, today is actually Purim, and it is written that in the holy books, as is ein Shiker, Purim is a mitzvah agroise, that to become inebriated on Purim is a great mitzvah. Dein Kinig macht doch azoi euch a kaise. Is that going to rhyme with something? Groise, yeah. Is azoi mitzvah groise, dein Kinig macht doch euch azoi euch a kaise. So your king is also having a drink, machen a kaise. And Naborsky spells it not with a hey at the end, which is the Hebrew spelling, but with an ayin at the end. Kaise with an ayin. Anyway, ta zaya kluger richter und sogim as heint muss sein nichter. So be a clever knight and tell him that today he has to be sober. Kedei av hominin zol kumen amapole v'ha'ir Shushan tzahala. In order that a downfall should come to Haman, and the town of Shushan would be joyous. And that's a direct quote, of course, from the Megillah. V'ha'ir Shushan tzahala v'simcha.
Yeah, and there is also a very famous song that goes with it. Only I could find it only in Hebrew, not in
Which song?
Yiddish.
Shoshanas Yankov?
Yeah, Shoshanas Yaakov. I couldn't find it in Yiddish for some reason.
I don't think it's, yeah, go ahead.
What's Tzahala?
Tzahala is Tzahala v'samecha. It's an unusual word. What does it mean literally?
Happy. They're both happy.
To be happy.
Same
The
word.
whole city
But
of Shushan will be happy?
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's more than happy. It's like
Joyous.
jubilee.
Jubilant.
Jubilee.
Can I ask another question?
You can ask whatever you want.
Okay, before it says ich memuchen, and I don't think that's what it means. I'm ready, because I think if I'm ready, I think it should be ich bin memuchen.
Or ani memuchan, maybe. Or ani
Ani
muchan. Yeah, this I'm pretty sure it's I am memuchan, and or I myself will bring it to you.
Why wouldn't you say ich bin memuchen?
Because it doesn't mean I am memuchan. It means I, memuchan, will bring you. I myself will bring you.
Okay.
Okay. So where were we? I think we were.
Sasa v'tzahala.
Mandarin
Sahala.
can be also mandarin.
No,
No?
no, Mandarin is Chinese.
Yes.
So why go to China? It's Persia.
Maybe
Okay.
that's what they served.
It's
Tangerine.
all over.
Okay. Go on, Refoel. Zeiter?
Zeser. He's another one of the Sarisim.
No,
Oh,
they
okay.
I think it was one of the sons. Haman's son is Zaitan.
No,
I
no,
don't think so. That's
no.
Vaizasa is a son, but not Zeser.
Not Zeiter. I looked at the sons. I looked at there is, on Google you can find everything. So there was a list of the sons.
Arisai, Aridais, Dalphon, but not Zeser.
Zeiter was not in there.
Zeser is one of the Sarisim, one of the attendants, let's say.
This is Julius Caesar.
That's right. Still, ich will
Very
me so,
good, Maurice.
still, ich will me so anheben dem Purim Spiel. Quiet. I want that we should be able to, that we should begin the Purim play. Es wird schon spät. It's getting late. Azelche kinderlich wie mir dürfen schon bald gehen schlafen in Bett. Because it's all children playing this. So such children as we should already be going to sleep in our bed. Nu, chevre, hebt on. So, my fellows, let's start.
Oh no.
What is, okay, go on, Refoel Charbona.
Okay, Charbona. V'gam Charbona Zachor Latov. Charbona is another one of the Sarisim, and his part in the plot was he reminded the king that Mordechai had saved him from Bichson and Teresh. And so that's how Charbona comes into the story.
Can you elaborate a little bit about
Yeah,
this?
in the Megillah, there are two of the servants who conspire against the king, and Mordechai hears about it and gives word about that, and they catch these two buntaren, these two fellows. And then later, when the king can't sleep, and they read him from the book of records, it's Charbona who reminds him that Mordechai did him a good deed, and therefore he desires to honor Mordechai, and the suggestion that Haman gives is to ride him on a horse. Anyway, that's Charbona.
Okay, just for those who, don't read the Megillah every day. So, okay.
Or every year, yeah.
Or every year. Okay, so
and the end of the Shoshanas Yankov melody is V'gam Charbona Zachor Latov. And let's also remember Charbona for good. So he says, a guten Purim soll euch Gott geben. A good Purim may God give you. Von heint über a Jahr sollt ihr in Frieden der leben. From now until next year, you should continue in joy. Ot wird ihr Herren von dem Neis Atzinder, wie Gott hat geholfen die jüdische Kinder. Now you will hear about the miracle now, how God helped his Jewish children.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Refoel. Golda.
Memochen. Wir sind gekommen, euch freilich zu machen. Wir wollen spielen und ihr werdet lachen. We will come happily and we will play and everyone will laugh. Heint ist doch Purim, Jantiv bei Jiden. Von unser schön Spielen seid ihr sein zufrieden. Today is Purim, a holiday for the Jews, for our Shanksville, and we will play happily and everyone will be satisfied. Wir wollen gleich anfangen mit dem Sohn von Haman, Ben
Amdata.
Amdata. Der große Kochmeta. Der kleine Zizista.
Okay, so it goes
will
So in
quickly,
order for it, just a moment, Golda. In order for it to rhyme, you have to read it like this. Dem Sohn von Amen ben Amdata, der Größe Chochmata, der Kleiner Weisata.
okay, thank you.
That's how it rhymes.
We will, thank you. We will happily start with the son, with Haman's son, Ben Hamata, the big Chachmata, the small fool, Zata.
Okay. Rafael, can you explain what he's doing here, please?
Yeah, and I would read it with an Ashkenazic Havara.
Ashkenazi. Okay, I read it in
Haman
Hebrew,
ben
yeah.
Hamdasa, der Größe Chachmosa, der Kleiner Weisasa. Okay, so Hamdasa is one of the sons of Haman. Chachmosa is just kind of a made-up word.
Amdose, I think Aman was the son
Oh,
of
that's right.
Amdose.
Haman is the son of Hamdasa. You're right. You're right. So it's Haman ben Hamdasa. Haman, the son of Hamdasa. Right. He is the great, now Chachmosa, smart guy. And then the Kleiner Weisasa, the little guy Weisasa, we had a whole thing about Weisasa, the king
Yeah.
Weisasa. Weisasa is the smallest of the children of Haman who gets hung. And he's known in Yiddish folklore as a fool, because couldn't he see what was coming and didn't he try to escape?
That's right.
After 10, yeah, okay. So, and he will continue with this, that it sounds like Yiddish, it sounds like Aramaic, but it's neither. So, go on, Golda.
Zata, ich bin Zata del Größe Chachmata, Azun von Barintem Rashata, Haman ben Hamata. So der König Gusta geben etwas so Gusta.
Okay.
So I am, so I am the fool, the big,
Of Masa,
son.
it's the big clever one, the big.
Yeah.
Could you say
son
wise guy?
Wise
the
guy.
famous
Exactly.
Rashata, and that's a takeoff on Russia.
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Haman ben Hamata, Haman the son of Hamata. So the Gussa Gebn episode, the Gussa, you got me.
Okay. Soll der King Gusa geben etwas als a Gusa. So, should the König, the King Gusa is the king, he should say something as a Gusa. He should say something, a Zog. He should make a Zog. But he's playing on it, with the Rishusa, King Gusa and Zagusa. So it rhymes, all of it is rhymes. Ich bin Weisusa, der Größe Chochmusa, Azon von der Barimten Rishusa, Amen ben Amdusa, soll den King Gusa geben etwas als a Gusa. So should the king say something? Go on, Mondrish.
Should I continue?
Yeah, only this line.
Okay, Mondrish, hört sich alle zu. Der Scheiter Ben Pickholz is da. So everyone listen. Der Scheiter, the son of Pickholz is here.
The fool is here. So where does it come, Shoite ben Pickles? Does someone know? Maurice, Rafael?
No, I don't.
No, Rafael, do you know where does it come, Shoite ben Pickles?
Well,
Why ben Pickles?
it's an
I guess
expression that just,
woodpeckers have a bad name.
yeah, it's an expression that means a fool. Where it comes from, I don't know. Yeah, literally, blockhead son of the woodpecker. But yeah, I don't know.
They're just trying to make the audience laugh. That's all I can come.
Yeah, okay. No, but Schotter Ben Pickles, it exists. I know that it exists as a food, but I thought that it has an origin somewhere. Okay. Okay, thank you, Golda. Thank
My
you.
pleasure.
Thank you. Just a moment. I had someone in mind. Rochelle.
Okay, Achashverosh. Ich bin Achashverosh, der Melech von Porus. I am Achashverosh, the king of Persia. Vashti, my
In Yiddish, is it Peres? You can say it Peres.
I don't know how to
It's
say
like Ich bin Achashverosh, der Melech von Peres.
Could be Pars,
Pas.
maybe
There's a
Pars.
race in there. Pas.
Should be Paras.
It's
Paras.
Paras, of course it's Paras. But
All
how do you say Paras in Yiddish?
You just look how you're supposed to rhyme it. It's going to rhyme with tzoros.
Oh,
Tsures. So
So
Pures
call it
and Tsures.
Poris. Poris.
Porus.
Pures and Tsures.
All
Okay.
right. I am the king of Porus of Persia. Vashti, mein Weib, hat mir verschafft viel Zores. Vashti, my wife, gave me a lot of trouble. Sie ist auf der Sude zu mir nicht gekommen. She did not come to the feast. She didn't come to my feast. Hat man ihr das Kopf herunter genommen. So we took off her head.
Mhm.
My Nomen is groß auf der ganze. My name is big over the entire world. Ich hab a Sach Länder. Ich hab a Sach Geld. I have a lot of land and I have a lot of money. Visos to Haman. Visos is speaking to Haman. Glücklich Tatusa.
Kluger Tatusa.
Glücklich Tatusa. Effen dein
Viscuma.
Piscusa.
Kusse und sog etwas dem mit
Pipschusa. So Kluger Tatusa, Effen dein Piscusa. Und so gab es dem
Open your
Pipschusa.
mouth and say something. I guess piscusa comes from piss
Yes.
and say something. Pishus.
Pipschusa.
I don't know what that means. Pishusa.
Stupid. Tipshusa.
Oh,
So
stupid.
say something to the stupid one, to the
stupidity.
It's from Tipesh. Tipesh, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay,
yes.
Exactly.
Tipish.
Exactly, from Tipesh. So say something to the foolish one, and he means the king.
Haman, großer Melech, der Leu mir etwas zu sagen. Haman says, the big king, allow me to say something. Es ist für mir zu schwer. It is for me too difficult. Ich kann das nicht übertragen. I can't stand it. In unser Medina seinen voran Asach Yidden. In our land there are a lot of Jews. Was seinen mit dir nicht zufrieden. There are a lot of Jews that aren't happy with you. Von deine Gesetzen halten sie in ein Lachen, and they're laughing about your laws. Sie wollen uns verquitzen.
Kapsonim.
What?
Kapsonim.
Kapsonim machen. I don't know what that means. Kapsonim.
Poor people.
Oh, they'll make us poor people?
Yeah.
They want to make
They'll
us.
make us poor.
Oh, they'll make us poor. Alle Geschäften seinen bei sie in die Hand. All the stores, all the businesses are in their hands. Unser Gläuben is bei sie doch geschenkt. Geschendig. Our beliefs are I'm not sure how to translate geschendig.
They dishonor our beliefs.
Okay, they dishonor our beliefs. Liebe Größe Koenig, beloved great king von land of this land, sei vertreiben und noch wenig Mentor zu sei nicht sein kein weicher. Sei vertreiben.
Ist noch wenig.
Say it again, please.
Sei vertreiben ist noch wenig.
And
it's too.
It's not a small thing.
No, it's not enough to annihilate them.
Okay. Mentor to say you can't be soft with them.
Yes.
Say partilican. We need to get rid of them. So von sei nit bleiben kein zecher. There shouldn't
Zecher.
There should not remain any, I don't know what zecher is.
Memory.
Any mark, any memory, any mark of it. Nothing will remain.
Any trace. Okay.
Any trace. A trace is good.
Yeah, there should not remain any trace from there. Größe König, honorable king, lieber Herr, beloved Lord, 10,000 Rendlech gib ich der Fahr. I will give you 10,000 whatever Rendlech are for this. Nit ihm a Beitel mit Geld. Give him a wallet, a purse with money.
So he gives him a purse with money. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Kosher. Thank you. Elaine, yes?
What does vertreiben mean?
To chase out.
To
To get
expel
rid
them.
of.
To get.
To expel them. He says it's
Yes.
not enough to
Okay, so
expel
can you translate sie vertreiben in noch wenig?
It's not enough.
It's not right.
Oh, it's not
to
enough.
expel them.
Okay, it's not enough.
You get rid of them.
It's not enough to exile them.
Got it.
Correct.
Got it.
Okay. Bob, can you continue from Drish?
Mondrisch. Ihr hört, you heard, auf dem Beisen schlechten Hammen, on the bitter bad Haman, soll kommen, should come, ihr weiß schon allein was. You know already what? You know yourself what? Wischte? Wie Visette. Ich, der kleine Wischte, lieber Tipp Schüsse,
ja.
Heim der nemen dom gel Tusse, der Tusse wird sein Blachuse zum dein Kapusse. I know it's all supposed to be.
Okay, now let me do it. Der Tipschuse, eis dir nehmen das Geltusse, wird sein a Brochuse zu dein Kapusse.
That's what I was trying to say.
That's when you sneeze, you say achoo, achoo.
Achoo. Okay, so
Yeah.
can you
It's
translate
hapchi,
it?
hapchi. Just the sound of a sneeze.
I the little Vishita, the little fool, or little son, or dear Tapushta. Well, let someone else translate it.
Okay. Rafael, can you translate it, please?
So it sounds good.
Rafael?
Yeah, I, the small Vaizosa, dear fool, I want you to take this money. Let it be a blessing on your head. Achoo.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Okay, Bob. Achashverosh.
Asheris, Haman, bist der kluger Mann, mir gefällt dein Plan. Oh,
Plan.
yeah, plan. Haman, Haman is a clever man. We follow his your plan. We'll follow,
I like,
follow
mir
your plan.
gefällt.
Yeah, we'll
Mir
follow your
gefällt. Mir gefällt. I like your plan. I
mir
like your
mir
plan.
gefällt. Yeah, it feels good. The plan feels good. I like your plan. Gehen to Leut, dein Verstand. Go and do according to your to what your plan, I guess.
Understanding.
Your understanding, what you understand. Na der dem Ringel von mein Hand. Take the ring from my hand. Get him dem ring. He gives him the ring. A baffle.
Bafel.
Abafel, Tashik, Iben ganzen Land. But we just did Bagan. What's
An order.
An order, yeah, a great order over the entire land. As ich Ahasuerus hot bavilkt, as if Ahasuerus has given it, has wanted it. As die Juden in ein Tag sollen werden vertilgen, that the as the Jews in one day should be destroyed, should be killed. And Haman Haman goes down, Haman up. Or Esther.
No, this is just a direction for the play.
Haman goes. Haman leaves. Exits. Is that exits? Exit stage right.
Exactly.
Esther kommen at ein stage left. And the comes to stage left. Verneuigt sich Vaden König. And the king goes off.
No, verneuigt, she's bowing.
Oh, she bows to, oh yeah.
Bows to the king.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Bob. Yes, Rafael.
Yeah, I found a little bit about Mondrich. Apparently, he's typically like a clownish figure in the Purim spiel. So he's a character that just became typical in the Purim spiel. And it might be related to the word Mordechai, but maybe not. It's just a clown.
A jester, right.
Okay.
A jester, yeah, a badchen.
A badchen, okay. Okay, thank you. Beverly, can you go on, Achashverosh?
Yes, Achashverosh, Liebe, Shana, und teure Frau. So the king says to her, lovely, beautiful, and my wonderful wife, was bist du erschrocken und blass azoi? Why are you so afraid and pale? Was verlangst du? What is that?
What do you want?
What do you want? What do you request?
What's your request? Ich bet dich, I beg you, say, ich geb dir halb, was ich vertag.
Mug.
Oh, mug. Yeah, I'll
mug.
give you half of what I own.
Okay, let me move. Okay.
Oh, Esther, Zest mein Punim und is bleich und weiß. You see, my face is pale and white. Ich hab gehört a schrecklichen Neues. I heard a terrible news. Men will das jüdische Volk vernichten. They want to kill off the Jewish people. Nor du allein kannst es verrichten. Only you can avoid that. Hast a minister. You have a minister. Is a Feind on a Feind von uns Juden. He hates Jews. Is a Feind von
Enemy of the Jews.
what?
He's an enemy of the Jews.
Oh, enemy. He is an enemy of the Jews, and he's an enemy of your throne.
Right.
So Achashverosh says, Schlechtstan wer will dir mein Liebste? Who wants to do bad to you, my love? Tight death to them. For schlecht Wort for dir. If he said a bad word on you. Na dir mein Stecken. Here's my what would you say?
Scepter.
Scepter or cane?
Oh, scepter.
But it's a scepter.
My
yes.
scepter, mein Shana, my beautiful. Setz sich da. Sit here, right here, neben mir, next to me. Esther says, King, ich stamm auf von Jeden. I am from the Jews. Mein Vetter Mordechai, dein Freund, my uncle Mordechai, your friend, hat dich von Tod gerettet. My Mordechai saved you from death. Hat dir entdeckt deine Feind. What is that? Deine Pein? I'm not sure.
He revealed his enemy.
Okay.
Your enemy.
I'm revealing your enemy.
Mordechai did that.
did it.
No, she's reminding him that Mordechai revealed his enemies who were going to
Correct.
At is mein Vetter Mordechai. Here comes my uncle Mordechai, and then Mordechai comes in.
Okay, thank you,
Adorable.
Beverly.
So
Julia, will you read? Someone else will translate if you don't want, but read.
Mordechai große König, ich bin der, was hat sich einmal gedatet von Tod. Wird ich dich uns helfen in erneut. Schreibt unter als solche Papieren, als die Juden, was wohnen in dein Land und hitten damit dein Bestand, soll keiner nicht wagen anzurühren.
Okay. Can you translate it, or we will ask someone?
Ask someone.
Okay, so, but keep here. Maurice, can you please?
Sure. Große König, great king. Ich bin der, was hat dich amul gerettet von Tod. I'm the one who once saved you from death. Bet ich dich uns helfen in erneut. So I'm asking you to help us in our need. Schreib unter solche Papieren, write such papers as die Jiden, was wohnen in dein Land und hieten tumme dein Bestand, that the Jews who live in your land and who always obey your orders, soll keiner nicht wagen unzurühren. No one should dare to touch them.
Thank you. Go on, read you this. So what is Yudis doing here? Is it just, a name, or she has some kind of, connection to the Megillah?
Ich hab gebracht a schreckliche Neues. I bless a fair bit of news. Haman hat gemacht a Talia. Talia?
Yeah.
Talia.
Yeah.
It's a noose. A Talia.
Mordechai sagen, Haman kommen herein. Haman comes in. Esther, ot is rush. Haman allein. Here is the bad one, Haman Arain.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, Julia. So, Refoel, what does Yudis has to do here?
Yeah,
Well,
I thought it
well,
was my name.
she was in the cast of characters, some Jewish woman, I guess. There's
Okay.
no such person in the original story.
So
That's
no
my
connection
name.
to the Megillah. Just
She's not one of Haman's sons.
no.
Oh, that's for sure.
She's the one who killed
Okay.
Holofernes, but
Right,
that's a different
that's
story.
the
Yeah.
one.
So what
Right.
is she doing here? Yeah.
That's permission
She
to
gets a
Yotzvah.
cameo. It's a cameo.
It's a cameo.
They had to give everyone a part.
Right.
Okay.
Or is
Okay.
she part of the harem?
Yeah. Oh, maybe.
Oh, that's probably true.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Okay. Andy, can you read? Is it possible or not?
No.
No.
It would be
Okay.
it would be very tortured.
Okay, no problem. You will tell me when. You know, there are other people that are telling me when, and I follow it. So, Harriet, please, Harriet.
Where are we?
Esther.
Esther.
Vaizute.
What is the Rosh Ham? Oh no, okay. The
Vazuzu.
Vazuza. Ve tatuso. Wir werden die caproso. Veve is pain, right? Pain, stupid.
No, it's like oy
vey.
Oh my
Oy
God.
vey, vey, vey.
Oy.
Yeah.
Stupid, we're being punished.
No, tatuse, it means
it's
kapara. Golda, just a moment. Tatuse means from father, from tate.
Right.
Oh, tate, oh, father, we're going to be sacrificed.
Right.
Yes.
Right.
Mondrish, ihr hört, siza spore, as Haman vet wären die kapora. Have you heard? It's been, a spore is a conjecture.
Right.
It's been proposed.
Like a rumor, right.
A rumor that Haman is going to be the sacrifice. Haman, ich hab gemacht dat Talia vermord him wegen. I've made a gallow, a noose for Mordechai. Ahasveres, sollst du auf ihr dem Tod bald kriegen, und Mordechai, Judi, soll sein mein erster Minister. You're going to soon be put to death, and Mordechai, the Jew will become my first minister. Die Juden sollen von Freiheit genießen. The Jews should benefit from freedom. On der Malcha Esther Hus, with justice for Esther.
No.
Malka.
Yeah,
No,
to the merit of Esther.
To the merit of Esther. Azoi tuich its befehlen, and now I am ordering von Huns Hudu Bizkush from India to Ethiopia. Oi Haman soll werden gehangen, and Haman should be hung. Seine 10 Sinn mit ihm, his 10 sons with him. Vazuzu veint, he cries. Haman ben Hamdote klog to dine kapuso. Haman a clog, a curse, a lament.
No, son of Amedata. Son of Amedata. Those are names. Amedata is a name.
Yes, a clog, yeah. Haman, son of Hamdota, a lament, a curse to your I don't know what kapusa is.
It's cop.
From cop.
To your,
On your head.
I curse you. Haman flushed,
Polished.
polished, lust Arab sein Kopf. Haman faints and his head falls off.
No,
They get rid of his, they cut off his head.
No, I don't think
Oh,
he
he lays down his head?
Head. That's all.
He's not losing. He's not losing his head. He just gets his,
drops
put his head
head.
down.
Hanging down his head.
Oh, he lowers
Right.
his head. Sorry.
Okay, that it's okay. Thank you, Harriet. Bonnie, do you want to try?
I'll try. Monderish.
Monderish, yes.
Monderish. Nu was talks zogst du? You say what? Well, what do you say?
Yes.
Pania. Pania. Hamen. Harsha.
Harsha. Yeah.
I can't really translate that.
Panya is just Mr.
Okay, Maurice, just a moment. Maurice.
Panya is Mr. It's a Polish word.
Oh.
Mr. Evil Haman.
Oh, Mr. Haman. And what is Harasha?
Evil.
Oh, evil. So Mr.
Harasha, Evil Haman.
So he's saying Mr. Evil Haman.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. Vest, Schoin, Villain, Wissen, Nachamol, wie sich zu spannen, zu Yidden. Okay, so Vest. What? I'm not sure Vest. I don't know how to
Okay, so Maurice, please.
Right, it's the future. Are you going to?
We didn't learn that yet.
How to bother Jews again?
Okay, so what's the so it's that to chest.
Chepin, it's to bother, to pick on.
Yeah, Chepitzik. My mother used to say something about Chepitzik. Okay.
Are you going to bother
something
them
you want to
again?
bother the Jews.
Right.
Okay. Un ois klären euch zij
Bilbulin.
Beloben nicht. Okay, I'm not really sure. And unklären, is that like declaring?
No, oisklären is to make up. He's saying, and are you going to fabricate more lies about the Jews?
Okay, so the Bibin those are the lies?
Lies, right.
Yeah.
Without reason. Without reason.
Nicht. Can you just translate it?
I think what we will do, Bonnie, is we will let Maurice read this because it's a difficult passage, and we will let Maurice read it.
Takes me forever. But thank you.
Not because it takes you forever, but it's a difficult one, and you know. Okay, so Maurice, if you can do Mondrish.
Sure. So, nu, was sagst du, Panya Homan Harusha? So what do you say, Mr. Evil Homan? Wirst schon wissen noch einmal, wie sich zu Chepen zu Jiden? Are you going to again try to pick on the Jews? Und ausklären auf sie Bilbulum Sist und nicht, and to think up more lies about them for no reason at all, Sitten, nicht, baseless lies. Alle humans wünsch ich azasov. I'm wishing, and then on all of them. Bald wirst du liegen in dread. Soon you'll be dead, you'll be in the earth. Und Mordechai hat Tzaddik wird reiten auf dem Pferd. And righteous Mordechai will ride on your horse.
Okay.
Okay?
Thank you. Thank you, Maurice. It was
Sure.
a difficult one, Bonnie. Sorry. I didn't notice it before. So, David Katz, can you finish it for us?
Yes, my camera's not working, but yes, I can.
No problem.
Vayisoso, Baruch zu mein Kapuso, a curse to my head, I guess. Bald wird man mich hängen auf der Telioso. Soon I'm going to be hanged on the gallows. Ihr wenkt, ihr cries. Mondrich, Leckisch, soll sein Stil. Silly one, just calm down. Rabosai, mir haben gendig das Spiel. This gentlemen, we've already finished the play. Das Ingela, komm ich rein zu springen. I'm going to go in now and start to jump. And alle singen mehr, leben mehr, Shoshanas, Yankov. We sing and we praise. I'm not familiar with Shoshanas.
Shoshanas Yankov is the name of the song.
It's a song.
Curtains.
Shoshanas
Yankov.
Okay, Lily, can you sing?
No.
No.
You don't want me to sing.
Okay.
Marsha can sing. Marsha Love.
But we have another song. I prepared another song for the end. So,
Okay.
Marif, please. Marif, please.
Okay.
What a crazy
Oh.
story.
Should we all sing together?
Heint is Purim, Brüder, es ist der Jontef Kreuz. Lommer singen Lieder, gehen von Haus zu Haus. Lach Mordchelle lach, a Jontevel mach, Kinds Kinder gedenken dem Nest. Singt Brüderlech, singt, tanzt freilich und springt, dem teuren Tag nicht vergesst. זה היום יום פורים, הנעים ומה טוב. זמירות נזמרה ונשמח עד אין סוף. שמח מרדכי שמח, הצרות נשכח, לנצח לא נשכח הנס. הוי שירו נשיר, כי בשושן העיר, המן האגגי אז מת. Na 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 na.
When I started drinking.
Very
Okay.
nice.
Now,
nice.
who can sing Shoshanat Yaakov?
Never heard this song.
Marsha Love.
Nas Yaakov. That's all I know.
Okay. Maybe Rafael put his in, so maybe Rafael can sing us Shoshanat Yaakov.
What happened to Cookie? This would be Cookie's day.
Cookie is not here today.
It's too bad.
Okay, Rafael, please.
Sie war gesungen die ganze Megillah.
Shoshanas Yaakov, Tzahala v'samecha, B'raisam Yachad, Techeles Mordechai. Chuasam Hayisa, Hayisa Lanetzach, V'sikvosam, Bechol Dor V'hador. Yambaradai, ich vergesse ein bisschen. Baruch.
Haben hat gewollt die Jeden umbringen, hat man gemacht, das Lied aufzuhängen, hat mir gehangen. Haben ist geworden, die Kapore, Shoshanis Yaakov, Zahalo Samecha. That's all I know.
Okay,
Bravo.
but you interrupted Refoel, so please, sorry.
I wanted to sing it in Yiddish.
Okay, Refoel, go on. Sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Lehodi asher kol kohivecha layevoshu velo yikol mulo netzach kol hachaisim bach aror hamon bu asher bikesh li abdi baruch mordechai hayehudi aror zeresh eshes mafchidi Baruch Esther Ba'adi Vegam Charbona Zachor Latov. That's the
Okay,
end.
thank you. That's the end. Thank you.
Therefore,
Thank
you have a much better
Bravo,
voice.
bravo.
than I have.
Nalevo na
Thank you,
bravo.
Refoel, and thank you, Golda. Anyone else want to sing? Something? Marsha, you have something to sing?
I don't know. I'm caught off guard. Entschuldigt mir.
Ein des Brüder, we can sing that, Marsha.
What is it?
Ein
Refoel, you have another song?
Oh, yeah.
I see that your hand is up.
Lieder von Gein von
Lach, kinderlach, lach, Ayantable Kins Kinder denken
dem Weg.
Sing, kinderlach, sing, sing und spring, dem love make podcast.
That's why you cannot do a concert on Zoom.
No, you can't. It's all.
It's not
I have no voice, but I remember the word.
But it's fun.
Okay. Maybe Refoel has another song for us. Refoel?
Yeah, this is one from a Theodore Vinkl record. Yachne dvoshe fortinstad,
Sie hat sich in ein Park.
Only one at a time.
Okay,
One at a time.
in America.
Just a moment, let him sing. Only he himself, because
If you want to sing with him, mute yourself.
Exactly.
We only have one at a time singing.
Because
Thank
otherwise
you,
it's not
Elaine.
working. Okay,
It doesn't synchronize. There's a lag.
Okay, only Refoel, the rest are singing in their heart.
Yachne dvoshe fortinstad, sie hält sich in ein Parken, sie darf auf Purim kaufen Mehl, haben Taschen backen, hab meine Taschen, hab meine Weiße.
Golda, please.
Mute yourself.
I'm quiet. I'm not singing.
Okay, Refoel.
Hab in meine Taschen, hab passiert am Meise, hab meine Taschen, hab meine Weiße, hab mit meiner Taschen, hab passiert am Meise. Es geht da Regen, es geht da Schnee, es kappet von die Dächer. Jachne viert schon Kornmehl, jener Sack mit Lecher. Hab meine Taschen, hab meine Weiße, hab mit meiner Taschen, hab passiert am Meise. Hab meine Taschen, hab meine Weiße, hab mit meiner Taschen, hab passiert am Meise. Jachne tragt schon schallig Mannes zu der Mumme Jente. 2, 3 schwarze Hommentaschen. Hab Reu, halb verbrennte, hab meine Hommentaschen, hab meine Weiße, hab mit meiner Hommentaschen, hab passiert am Meise, hab meine Hommentaschen, hab meine Weiße, hab mit meiner Hommentaschen, hab passiert am Meise.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
I've
Thank
never
you.
heard such a thing.
No, we did it last year, I think.
Yeah.
Yeah, we did it last year, nearly.
Last
Okay,
year?
Golda. Yo, if you want to sing now, only
No,
Golda.
no, it's fine. He did a beautiful job, but he read it and I knew it by heart. That's
Okay.
the only difference.
Okay.
And I used to lead the chorus in Century Village.
That's why I wanted Masha to sing it. We would have sang it together. Okay.
Okay.
Stop following. Next year, I say geleden in gezend zijn, wel singing.
You have a better memory than I do. Entschuldig mir.
Okay, no problem. It just, you know, just out of the. I see, Rachel, yes.
Ja, heint ist Purim, morgen ist Eus, gib mir a Groschen und warf mich a Reus.
That was my mother used to say.
My
as
mother
well.
too. My
Yeah,
mother
it
too.
was kind of, I think when the Purim spielers were going from place to place, that's what they used to say. Eint is Purim, morgen is Eus, and you paid them something for, you know, you gave them
My
something.
mother told me that they used to go, it was like trick or treating.
Go to door, yes.
They would go door
door.
to door and say it, and some people would give them a penny, and you know, but yeah,
My father used to tell me that Purim and Hanukkah, family would give them coins, and he always collected them.
Yeah, yeah.
And
yeah, it's Purim Geld, Hanukkah Geld,
yes,
and Purim Geld.
Purim Geld and Hanukkah Geld.
I never heard of Purim guilt.
Yes, yes. In Israel, it's the same. It's Purim Geld. Yeah, we give money to the kids. Okay. As you have noticed by now, Purim is one of my favorite holidays. So yeah, so and we do a spiel every year. So okay. Thank you,
great.
Andy. Okay, you already went. Okay. Okay.
Well,
so that was
Minna,
Andy.
Thank you
Minna,
for a lovely play.
Minna, you should be very happy because when Mashiach comes, the only holiday we are supposed to celebrate is going to be Purim. Did you know
Purim?
that?
Oh, okay. Wonderful.
When Mashiach comes.
Yeah,
Okay.
and I got a chance to wear my cat earrings to match my little cat ears. So I keep thinking, should I give these away? Where am I going to wear these cat earrings? This is fabulous.
So you see, we
And I
gave
have,
you.
yeah, and now I can wear them to the Purim spiel at my synagogue. I mean, I'm almost set.
Basia, you have to move your screen down because we can't see your ears. We can only see your eyes.
Well, yeah, so there are the ears.
No, I still can't see them.
Still can't see them?
Nope.
See the ears, not the earring.
No.
No,
I
still.
see them.
No. You got to move it down. It went back up again.
It falls. That's the problem. It's not steady.
And then
Anyway,
I think there's one is a cat, and I think there's a little mouse running around here in this one.
Okay.
Great.
Adorable.
Wonderful, guys. We will see you. Have a happy Purim. When is it? Friday?
Thursday night. Thursday night. Friday.
Okay. Have a
Happy
wonderful
Purim.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Eat a lot of Amen Tashem, and we will see you next week.
And cheers.
Bye.
Welcome, everybody.
Barbara
Bye.
has the right
Never left.
idea.
So.